Hi there, Mr. Secretary.
Morning, Mr. Roberts.
Very good. Thank you very much for your interest in the Reaching for More program.
Yes.
And what I want to do is show you first, by using a flow chart, why your daughter received the invitation, what 6th grade will look like, what 7th grade will look like, what 8th grade will look like, and why this is a good opportunity for her. If you look up here, we start the program invitation. We identify kids in the 3rd quarter based on their 1st and 2nd quarter grades and their FCAT scores and how they performed on the formative assessment. And your daughter did very well. She had A's 1st and 2nd quarter, and she was in the upper quartile for the formative assessments. When talking to the teachers, they all said that she works very hard in class, and she's one that they don't ever have to worry about homework coming in or her paying attention to class. So she was an immediate yes to be identified for our program.
Go ahead.
Go right ahead.
A question, we are looking at possibly getting her in a gifted program. Is there something in this particular area we can get her in gifted?
Usually children are identified for the gifted program in elementary. What happens when they come to the middle school, if they're high performing, we tend to have them in the class with the gifted students, so they're getting the same classwork, the same feedback, the same opportunities.
My wife and I are looking at possibly getting her into that type program.
Well, this would be definitely a very good fit. Now, if you'll notice, once you give us permission, then we enroll her in the program, and we immediately enroll her in Florida Virtual School. That's one of the reasons, I guess, our main way of accelerating the program for the students that are high achieving. So we would enroll her in a 7th grade math class on Florida Virtual School, and she'd also be a part of our STEM program. This year we have paired the two, so the same students that she's doing the FLVS course with will be the same students that she's in the STEM program with. Not only do they have this opportunity, they have it together, and the camaraderie really helps them down the road. 7th grade, she'd then be in Algebra Honors, and again, she'd be with the same students, so now they know how they work together, they know how to help each other, support each other, and they would also continue with the STEM and now robotics program.
I see this is a high school course also.
Yes, Algebra Honors would be the first high school course, and that is the only high school course that has to be taken, has to be passed, and that there's an end-of-course test for. So that means prior to going to high school, she will already have met that requirement, which is a very good thing. As we move to 8th grade, you'll notice again the same kids, so the same group that she's gotten used to working with. They will be with her in Geometry Honors, again another high school course. In Science, she will be in the Integrated Physical Science course, a high school course, and she will continue in the STEM and Robotics program. So that means by the end of the program, she will have completed 2 math courses. So when she starts high school, she will start taking Algebra 2 Honors, which is the Honors 11th grade course. Now the big picture with this is, in terms of high school, she will be more than prepared for it because she knows what it is to take the high school course, she knows the rigor of the course, she knows the demands of the course. If she wants to get into Middleton, which is the magnet school for robotics and technology and all the STEM things, she's an excellent candidate. If she'd like to do Robinson and be involved in the IB program, again, she's a very strong candidate. So any high school that she would like to attend, she should be one of their top candidates.
Fantastic. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for.
Well, did you have any additional questions for me?
No, I think you've answered all of those questions, Mr. Roberts. I appreciate you working with my daughter and helping her to get her where we need her to be.
Okay. Well, I'd like you to take this with you so that if you need something to refer back to, and on the invitation that we sent out, my phone number and email address are there. Please feel free to contact me if you have any other questions. And thank you for coming.
All right, will do. Thank you.